So I am not worried about, honestly, Ankita, to be being judged or whatever it is, because it's everyone's perception. जब मैं as an audience भी देखती थी, तो मैं भी यही करती थी. I'm like a fangirl. It's like a dream come true for me to go on the show.
You know ना, Big Boss में झगड़े भी बहुत होते हैं.
हाँ.
You can fight.
I can stand up for myself. I think I'm going to be nervous looking at Salman. I'm personally a very big fan of Shehnaz Gill and Gauhar Khan as well. Television is a women-centric industry, right? I did a show called Ek Mukhi Asman and on television, and it changed the entire dynamics of my career graph.
Well, the question of Mahesh Babu always spins up. Does it sometimes bother you that when you are doing your work?
I can't stop people from talking and thinking, but I'm entering the house with a completely open, my identity space, and I hope I'm perceived like that.
If Shilpa has to handpick 5 people to be co-contestants and they have to be your previous co-stars or the people you know of, who would you be?
Jackie Shroff. Fun. He is, you know, how you see Jackie is how he actually was even that time.
Video would come with a plan. Hi guys, this is Ankita. You're tuned to Bollywood Bubble, and today I think this would be a special one because when Big Boss starts, it starts with a lot of excitement, and for the season 18, I think Shilpa ma'am is definitely going to add a lot of tadka also. Let's ask, or how's it going to be? Hi, welcome.
Hi Ankita, how are you? Tadke ka mujhe pata nahi hai, but I'm very excited. Are you?
I am. Big Boss is like for next 3 months, it's sorted. This is what we are going to watch, and that's how it's going to be. I think I've heard everyone has asked you that why Big Boss and why you wanted to do this. My question would be, why not before? Why not earlier? What took you so long?
I never got only a call to come earlier.
क्या बात कर रहे हो आप?
सच में. Actually, the thing is, I wasn't in the country, right? But I got this opportunity now, and I think everything always falls in place for at the right time and for the right reasons.
So all prepared.
All prepared.
But you know, Big Boss also come with set of challenges. At least in last couple of years, जिस तरीके का social media perception बनता है, आपका हर झगड़ा, आपका हर प्रोमो कैसे कटता है, आप किस तरीके से प्रेजेंट किए जाते हो बाहर, चीज़ें बहुत डिफरेंट हैं, and लोगों के judgments भी उतने different हैं.
Absolutely.
Do you fear that the real you who wants to be on the show and whose I can see is very excited to go will also be battling that judgment of how she's perceived outside?
Honestly, if you ask me, one good thing about Big Boss is हमको पता ही नहीं बाहर क्या चल रहा है.
Weekend के बाद में सलमान बताएंगे ना आपको.
हाँ, लेकिन he has so many people to talk about
and
that everybody, scold, shout, mentor. I think that his shouting is also like mentoring.
It is.
लोग अलग तरीके से लेते हैं, लेकिन because I have been an audience of Big Boss, I think that if tomorrow he is telling you something, it is because he wants you to get better.
Exactly.
So if you don't understand that little thing, then it's a waste of time. So I am not worried about, honestly, Ankita, to be being judged or whatever it is, because it's everyone's perception. जब मैं as an audience भी देखती थी, तो मैं भी यही करती थी. Monday to Friday, I used to also have judgment, and then Saturday, Sunday, it used to be different because. And then it used to be like, you know, I think this person is not, I think that person is not right. And then on Saturday, Sunday, when Salman was like, yes, I was right. See, Salman said the same thing. Or agar koi Saturday, Sunday, Salman would not address that issue, I would take it very personally. I would like, how could he miss that point? It was so not right. He should have said it, like that. So for me, I am going there honestly, without any planning, plotting, no strategy, kuch nahi. I'm going there because it is for me. I'm like a fangirl. It's like a dream come true for me to go on the show. और I'm going to, like मैंने जैसे सबको बोला कि मैं बहुत अच्छे memories बनाने जा रही हूँ. कुछ memories अच्छे होंगे, कुछ memories अच्छे नहीं होंगे, which is okay क्योंकि normal life में भी ऐसा होता है. But on the whole, I'm just going to go there being myself.
You know ना, Big Boss में झगड़े भी बहुत होते हैं.
हाँ.
You can fight.
I can stand up for myself. I'm not a fighter as in, you know, अभी पता नहीं ये 16 हफ्ते में क्या होगा, लेकिन ये वो साइड भी अगर आ जाए बाहर. But I'm personally not a person who loves to fight and whatever, but I'm someone who likes to put my point across and I can stand for myself.
Who was the first person you made the call to when Big Boss happened?
As in family?
Yeah, as in like who was the first
I was with my sister only in Hyderabad when it all happened.
So Namita got to know and she was okay with it?
Oh yeah. and she knows that I love Big Boss. Yeah, come on, अभी मैं बोल के थक गई हूँ कि मुझे Big Boss पे बहुत मैं I genuinely.
So what was her advice then? I will ask you rather this.
No, we don't advise each other. Huh? We only listen. And like I said, that we both have only each other for ourselves today. And so there is no thing ki acha you should do this, you should do that, or I don't tell her that. We are two different people, but we are connected. And I know that if I ever need her, she has my back, and if she ever needs me, I have her back. And that's all that matters. You don't need your sister to give you advice, or she doesn't need me to tell her how to behave or whatever. We come from the same upbringing, and that's what makes us two.
I think the souls connected.
Yeah.
Let's put it this way. Let me just make it a little fun question for you then. She was the one who worked with Salman.
Yeah.
जब प्यार किसी से होता है. मिले थे तब sets पे बात हुई कभी interaction हुआ?
I didn't go on that time with her to the set. But I've never met, like I said, I've never known Salman personally. I know that he's her co-actor and whatever, but yeah, I'm looking.
What is the image you have of Salman? Because Salman on a Weekend Kawar is a different vibe. Like, aapke dimag mein, because you're the ardent fan. I'm asking the fan, Shilpa. What is the image she's going into the Big Boss house with Salman?
I think I'm going to be nervous looking at Salman. Not so much entering the house, but nervous looking at him. No, but you know what? Actually, I don't know. Excitement also, because I am very much in a fan. It'll be a fan moment, both two fan moments. Imagine Salman and Big Boss.
We always associate the other person with an attached identity of anyone else. Like I remember when I was coming here, and my first interaction was that will the question of Mahesh Babu always springs up. Does it sometimes bother you that when you are doing your work, this is you who's coming out to the fore after so many years to the public, but then the family names keep on popping? Does it take away from your identity ever? Does it hold?
Honestly, it doesn't. We are family. He is he's an actor in his own
in his own space.
Yes. And I have done what I have done in my own space.
Yes.
I can't stop people from talking and thinking. But I'm entering the house with a completely open, my identity space, and I hope I'm perceived like that. And that's all I can hope. And like I said, I have a very close and a very, very, very attached family bond with everyone, and that's something that is my space. I don't need to talk about it with anybody. I don't need to give anyone an explanation, and all I can say is, we are, touchwood by the grace of God, a very strong and a very close family, and we have mutual respect and admiration for everyone. That
give me, any contestant's name whose journey has stayed with you over the years, because since you have seen so many seasons and there have been some terrific journeys.
Yeah.
Something, even if the person is not a winner.
Yeah. No, I am personally a very big fan of Shehnaz Gill and Gauhar Khan as well.
Yes.
I think Shehnaz, because she comes across as a very positive, happy, very, very real space.
Whatever it was, it was.
Yeah. And Gauhar was one go-getter. I mean, she had her point of view and she was so clean and clear about it through her.
She was very
vocal. Very, very vocal. And so I like them both. They're very strong contestants that I feel have, evolved with their journey with Big Boss. I even like Hina Khan actually.
I think it was very common with these girls because they were willing to call spade a spade.
Yeah.
And you're not scared how people will perceive you.
Yeah. And I mean, you know what? Just because you see it as a spade, not necessarily that the other person also sees it as a spade. But at least you're putting your point of view across.
And you're not scared. That's more important. Okay, last one. Because you have such a great repertoire of so many lovely co-stars you have worked with. If Shilpa has to handpick 5 people to be co-contestants, it's a hypothetical question, to be in the Big Boss house, and they have to be your previous co-stars or the people you know of, who would you be? Give me good 5.
5, that's a big number.
That's why, because one though you will easily give, I know.
Okay.
Give me 5.
No, Jackie Shroff. Okay.
And reason also why?
No, because I feel that Jackie is fun. He is, how you see Jackie is how he actually was even that time.
We would come with a Plant.
That time he never came with plants, but now he'll come with a plant.
He was still that the same person.
Yeah, he was the same only, but तभी plant नहीं थे, अभी plant.
अभी plant. Okay, so one is Jackie.
Yeah,
second.
One is Jackie. Then I think somebody else who I would like to see in the house is Chichi. I think Chichi will be fun. I think he is also this very, I think Chichi will be good fun in the show.
Chichi.
Chichi will be nice.
Chichi will be taking dance classes also.
Good
morning song dance classes.
I don't think Chichi wakes up so early.
Big Boss आते हैं.
Big Boss है ना. Okay, Madhu is my best. Is a very dear friend of mine.
Oh wow!
So I would like Madhu to come because we have a nice rapport together, and she's fun. So I'd like her to come because we can.
भी company हो जाएगा.
अपना भी company हो जाएगा.
2 more.
4 and 5. My God, this is like really prepare करना चाहिए था ये question.
इसलिए तो last में रखा.
Sunil Shetty. And I'd like to, I like Sunil. I think Sunil is good.
And you had great pair.
Yeah, and I think Aki is also fun. Aki ke saath bhi I had done a film. He's fun. So yeah.
Why Sunil and why Aki lastly?
So, because I did my very good films with Sunil.
Yes.
I'm popularly known by Gopi Kishan with him.
One of the biggest blockbusters of the career.
Yeah, so that was nice. And with Aki, because I think Aki is very disciplined. कि 4 बजे उठना है, ये करना है, वो करना है. हाँ, good idea.
Good man.
Yeah.
Aki will
So I think it'll be good. It'll be nice because he will say नहीं यार 9 बजे सोते हैं रात को. And but actually जिनके नाम मैंने लिए हैं, I don't think anybody is used to late nights anyway.
हाँ वैसे.
Yeah. Sunil also is very disciplined.
Sunil is very disciplined. So is Jagudada. In fact, Govinda, I was recently hearing someplace that he's also now got into that lifestyle of early to bed, early to rise, man.
So I think they'll be fun.
Shilpa, जब आप break लिया film से, of course, after the birth of your daughter, and in between you did come back to do some quality television work. During that time also, I want to ask, while of course television was a great platform, didn't films click, or don't you think they came back to you again? Because there was a time, I think जब आप वापस आए, there was a resurgence where all our 80s and 90s leading stars, at least female stars,
were coming
back.
They
were coming back, and OTT was becoming a big platform for them. Raveena, Madhuri, what stopped you?
You know, Ankita, actually, when I came back in 2009, I came back after I lost my parents. So acting was never on the cards. The reason I came back to India was to be with close to my sister, because that was the need of the hour. And I was not looking at working again. I was literally not there was nothing in terms of कि मुझे acting करनी है या मुझे यही करना है, मुझे वही करना है. And then I did a show called Ek Muthi Aasman, and on television, and it changed the entire dynamics of my career graph. The amount of respect, like I said to you earlier, that everything happens at the right time for the right reasons. The amount of respect that I got and the amount of love that I got doing television, and it was so instant. I reached every household at 7 p.m. I had never got that much adoration, that much love, that much respect, what I got in that 3 years of doing television. So for me, my years in my movies are very precious to me because I grew up in that industry. But what I achieved 13 years after with television is something that I will always hold close to my heart.
So we can say like the artist in you actually could sink in the teeth to the fruit of, you know.
Oh yes. I mean, for me, I'll tell you honestly, television is a women-centric industry.
It is.
For me, at that age, for the kind of work that I was getting, was something that I don't think I would have got even in movies at that time. And OTT only happened now.
In recent years. When you started in films, the women in films then to the women in, I won't say just cinema, in the content space now, there's a stark difference.
Absolutely.
Do you think that sometimes, you know, we have that inner wish that I wish I would have started a little later. Maybe the rules are more juicier now, because the industry then and now is a complete
fully
contrast.
fully different. But
give me one difference if you could spot one today.
If I can tell you, when I was working in the 90s, हमारे यहाँ पे मॉनिटर्स नहीं होते थे, तो हम लोग रॉ स्टॉक पे शूट करते थे, तो हम लोगों को पता भी नहीं होता था कि हम कैसे दिख रहे हैं. कैमरामैन देखता था, डायरेक्टर ओके बोलता था, हम लोग बिलीव करते थे. तो अभी भी जैसे अभी हम लोग सेट कर रहे हैं या whatever, they will, man, you want to have a look, and I'm not used to it.
I realized that,
So
that you are not
I'm like, okay, ठीक है, you know, आप देख रहे हो ना, ये आप, because for us we always gave respect to the person in that field. अभी अगर DOP है और वो देख रहा है, आप, you're the king of that seat. How am I going to tell you कि ये सही है कि नहीं है? So I still have to blend into that thing, but I come from very old school of thought.
And today, everything, every beat we operate on is on social media consumption. Does it worry you? Because it also comes with a lot of hatred, the cancel culture. Because as you're going into one of the most toughest shows, you know that even the families then come to the pinpoint. They will pick up anyone, and you know, the trolling happens.
So, you know, honestly, I feel that when you become a part of this career, you everything is a byproduct of that. How you manage and control it is your upbringing.
It is.
That plays a very important role. Today, the biggest of the biggest families are talked about, and there's no, without any consequence.
Oh yes.
So it really doesn't matter. I mean, it's you've chosen this line, and this is what comes along, and you should know where to keep your dignity and self-respect. So I believe in that. I believe that, you know, like I was talking to somebody else now, and I said, for me, my biggest strength is my upbringing. And that I will always hold very close to my heart in my life. I have always done that. And for me, my family will always be first, immaterial of anything.
And I think we often lose sight of when we are in the throes of fame, that there is far more we have earned than we are.
But that's also because you tend to forget where you come from, right?
Yes.
So if you hold that very close to your heart and your life, there's nothing that can change you for the hunger of success.
Tell me something. You worked with some remarkable stars, Govinda, Mithunda, Bachchan. When the time you were not there, you know, in the professional circuit, did ever anyone tapped back and made that one caller message कि शिल्पा फिर से काम करते हैं?
Actually नहीं, काम करते का नहीं है, लेकिन मैं जब नई शादी हुई थी और मैं लंदन शिफ्ट हुई थी, मैं still remember Anushka was very young. She was only, I think, few months old, and Dada had come to London, and Dada came to meet me, and oh my God, it was so much fun. And typical Dada being Dada, he had come with like 7 people, and you know how London homes are, they're very small and tiny. But we had such a blast. Khana bana, I had made keema pao that day. So he had keema pao with me, and it was really good. It was really, really nice. So yeah, I mean, you know, this industry is full of beautiful people. It's just that when you're not working, the need to stay in touch is not so constant.
It is. And
automatically when you start working again, your relationships get revived.
They get reconnected.
And it's okay, you know. लोग बोलते हैं, you don't have any friends in the industry. I said, नहीं है friends in the industry. क्योंकि industry से इतनी दूर चली गई थी मैं. Friends in the industry, And it is a fact that when you're working, people want to be in touch. And when you're not working, people don't want to be in touch because everybody is busy. It's not that they don't like you, so they don't want to be in touch.
So yes, wishing you all the best, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I hope you have a good tour of the house.
Of course. Well, मैं room देख के बताती हूँ where are you getting stationed and which bed you should take.
Message.
I'll do that for you. But yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Shilpa Shirodkar, and you're watching me on Bollywood Bubble.